Hello all of you beautiful people on the internet and my loyal minions. It's your hypnogod Fred Lee here, and if you're wondering what this whole video segment is all about, or if this is the first video that you've ever seen on my channel, this is what we like to call the Nostalgia series, where we go back in time, take a look at some previous performances and some footage so you guys get a better sense of where I'm coming from. Now before we get to the video, I'd like to mention that I'm currently not around since I'm booked from January till May of this year, so as such I won't be able to answer any of your questions in real time since I don't have access to technology at that point because there's a lot of stuff going on. But that being said, let's get to the tape.
I'm live, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. My name is Fred Lee, and when I first got into magic, I've heard from this man that magicians know, known as Jay Sankey, who says a master magician can do magic with just about anything. Anytime, anywhere. And I take pride in doing magic with absolutely nothing. But it takes a great deal of imagination, clever thinking, and lots of satanic rituals to do what I'm about to do, and that's taking nothing and turning it into something. Now this is where it gets interesting. If I were to take that, make it disappear, remember, I worked with nothing from the beginning. But then, of course, I have to confine to the rules because now I turn nothing into something, so it must appear from somewhere, right? And the weird part is I don't even have sleeves. I don't get how that works. Just saying. Kids in front of me. Hashtag God has appeared right before us. Moving on, before I offend more people here. Check this out. We'll do this one more time just for the sake of my entertainment as well as yours. Because this piece is entirely subjective, I can actually make it appear as nothing inside of my pocket. So if you take nothing, you make it appear and disappear, it can go anywhere. Unless if you materialize it, that's when you should actually go. Now because this is subjective, what's cool about this is you can actually change it into whatever I want. I prefer green, but some people would prefer the original shade of red. Now of course we can actually change it back into that lovely shade of green if you're feeling a little lucky, but many of us would like to see that red one last time, the lady in red. What is this stuff? And that's stuff that you can do with absolutely nothing. You know what? Let me try one more thing. If we were to take this and place it into my hand, remember this is subjective. That's what's so cool about this piece, is that I can make it jump from one side to another. In this case, from in my hand to my pocket, that fast. You're not impressed, some of you are. You have the right to remain skeptical. It's okay. We're at a magic club after all. Because some of you may be thinking I'm using two. Just one. Now I know I'm going to need someone to help me out, but first, I'm going to make two first. I need one of you. Let's see, let's make this quick here. If you don't mind, yes. Could you stand? Right behind the gun, yes. Join me on stage, give her a huge round of applause. Now in the meantime, I'm going to show you something with this. Just going to stick that into my pocket. I'm going to use this ball here. If I were to take this ball and place it into my pocket, that's not supposed to happen. We'll do this again. Remember, we're going to do something with this ball, and we'll place it inside of the pocket. You're saying, oh, thank God you're here. I thought I was going to go crazy for a moment. Your name? Andy? Nice to meet you. Could you hold out your hand just for demonstration purposes only? Don't do nothing yet. Because these two used to be one, here's something peculiar about them. They like to stay together. This one stays in this hand, this one stays in this hand. It jumps and joins the other one right here. I'm going to try this with you. You hold both hands out, right? So I'm going to hold on to this one right here, test conditions. This is going to be for you to hold on to. You can squeeze that nice and tight, nice and high. You can drop that. You can drop that down to your side, okay. She's expecting more. As you can tell, this guy takes a lot of balls to do, just saying. Here we go. Did you feel that? Well, you shouldn't, because I really did my job well done. Take a look. Show everybody that the ball hasn't been jumped to our hands. Yes! There's a miracle. So we'll try this. Some of you may ask, well, can you make the ball go back? Hell yeah, I can. All right, so I'm going to take this one and this one. You're going to actually hold on to both. Nice and tight like this. Squeeze it. Same deal. I'm going to hold it like that. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to pluck the ball from thin air. Actually through your hand and all that stuff. So now it's actually great. Keeper. Putting that in your hand should be what? Take a look. Just one ball. 1 and 1. Now we're going to take this up a notch. I'm going to have you just squeeze onto these two nice and tight. Squeeze them tight, like this. Perfect. And we're going to use a little bit of magic. A little magic stuff called magic dust. But we'll use that sparingly. And by the way, Andy, what is your favorite color? Blue. If I can turn those two balls into blue balls, would you be impressed? Most guys would not agree to that statement, but all right. But here's the thing about magic in general. In magical performance specifically, the magician is never wrong. It's because we cheat. Do you believe that they've changed in any way, shape, or form? Really? Well, that, my friends, is what we call magic! Hey! Yeah! Now, bring some context to it. Here's what I mean by I cheated. Take a look. Open it up. Look, we've got red, we've got orange, we've got yellow, we've got green, we've got blue, and we've got all the colors. Thank you very much for helping me. You can go back to your seats. I want to try something rather interesting. I'm getting a sense, I'm getting the vibes out of several people here tonight. I'm getting a... You, sir, you're the one walking back to your seat. Blue shirt, glasses. Could you stand from where you're at? Right on. And your name for everybody out loud. Can you say that again? Dennis. Now, Dennis, to be fair, this actual meeting is actually the first time you've ever met me and seen me, and you have no idea what to expect at this point. Right on. Now, I have my suspicions of what I think you are. Are you familiar with your own horoscope? Yes or no? No, but you do know your own birthday, because I can say you're more of a Pisces, so this gives me a rough estimate of what I think your birthday is. So I want you to just close your eyes, send the mojo straight to me, because I do think we have some similarities. Yes. Feel the mojo, smell the Sharpie. All right, Dennis, are your eyes open? I can't really tell at this point. Okay, can you say your birthday out loud for everybody? What is your birthday?
February 22nd.
February 22nd? I'd say that's a freaking miracle. There's no way. Let me push my luck here. Let me try this out. Could you stand for Maria? Yes, right there. And your name for everybody out loud. Marita. All right, same deal. This is actually the first time you've met, and also you have no idea what to expect. Maybe somewhat because you've just witnessed some paranormal superhuman ability just now. We're going to try this. Are you familiar with your own horoscope? Yes or no? Concentrate on your horoscope. See it nice and big for me. All right? Imagine seeing a picture, the name right below it, like Leo. All right? And just to be sure, it wasn't Leo now, was it? All right, that'll be too easy. Okay. Project to be nice and big. I might get letters, bits and pieces of what I think I'm getting. There's an R in this, yeah? Getting an R. Okay, I'm pushing it here. There's a vowel in this case. This is an A specifically. Yes? Yeah? Okay. Getting another repeat. This is another, I believe, an I. There's an I in there, yeah? All right. It's getting a little hazy at this point because there's a lot of murmurs and stuff going on. I believe there's an S in there, yeah? Okay, okay, I think I got this. Maybe one more vowel. There's an E also, yeah? Yes? All right. Now here's the thing, in terms of, you haven't told anybody your horoscope or anything. I don't even know what it is. And this is just on the spur of the moment. I didn't tell you to write anything down or anything, none of that stuff. Based on your personality type, it's more of an aggressive. When you play games with other people, you get pretty competitive, yeah? And that's a very, 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 very strong trait of what we call an Aries in the industry. Yes? Now Now, there are some reasons behind this. I am a psychology major, so I like to study people, but it's impossible for me to kind of see what's going on. It's a little hard to read because of the lighting, but it doesn't matter. I like a challenge. You just stand one more time, I'm going to take this up a notch. I want you to dig into the deep recesses of your mind because I'm picking up somebody specifically, a guy. Okay, I'm getting a male. Just see him nice and big for me. Projector, could you just close your eyes, send it to me? Okay. Can you say out loud what the first letter, can you just say, can you just open up your eyes? Is there a C? Does that make any sense to you? Yes? All right. And you're visualizing him standing here, yeah? Notice the positive affirmation when I said, notice him standing here, meaning you're thinking of a guy, yes? All right, do you know this person's birthday as well? All right. And in fact, I think, I'm getting a sense that you might have met this person fairly recently, a couple weeks ago, months ago? But it kind of felt like that, though. Yeah, it's one of those type of friends. Yeah, okay. All right, same deal. Close your eyes, project it nice and big. Send it to me. It's a rather large name, so I'm going to do with it. Okay. Open up your eyes. Now, there's no way you can possibly know who this person is. I want you to say for the first time, what is this guy's name? Christian. Ladies and gentlemen, if I do get this right, that's going to end my set. My name is Fred Lee. You guys have been fantastic. Thanks for supporting the OMC pasta thing, wonderful stuff. You get to see awesome magic and everything. Be sure to thank Nathaniel. He drove like fricking 7+ miles just to get here from LA. Come on, get props to the guy. All right, enough about me. You want to see if I got it right? Hell yeah, I did. Next question. This is for you. That's amazing. My name is Fred Lee. You guys are amazing. I'm thinking about confetti. We've got a lot to do.
If you guys liked what you saw, be sure to smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and also, if you aren't a loyal minion already, subscribe. Do it. It's going to save you all the time and hassle to look me up and everything else because, you know, I'm right there. And be sure to ring that bell icon so you don't miss out on any additional videos or updates, and you'll be the first to know, so you don't have to keep track of, is it Saturday at 12 p.m. Pacific time, because that's when videos usually pop up. So ring the bell, save yourself some time, hit me up on social media, and feel free to leave comments, questions, and everything. And remember, I won't get back to your comments until after May. So thank you guys so much for watching and for understanding, and I'll see you guys in the next one.